spirits, guides, angels. There's a female here. She passed in her 30s. Her name starts with an H. H. What is your name? What is your name?
Hannah.
Hannah. What did I just say? She was showing me H. Thank you. Hannah.
Me in.
Hannah, now come on in. Stay with me. Can you show me anything tonight?
Light parade.
Light for it. I'm focusing on light. Ed, my guide, if you're here. Bring forth Hannah. Bring her up close. Can you bring her close in, Ed, my guide, Ed? Hannah, you loved music. There's a male here with her.
Any music.
Any music. Did you like all music, Hannah?
Real.
Real spirits have been doing this lately, validating. Real, real. I've been doing groups. They've been saying, real, we're real. I know you're real, Hannah. You liked music. Do you come in here and listen when I listen, Hannah? I listen to music every single day in this room. You liked music. I feel your energy. The spirit of Hannah.
Here.
I know you're here. What are you showing me? It's some kind of food concoction. And she's pouring the honey over bananas?
The honey.
You just heard it right there.
Me, yeah.
Me, yeah. So you're showing me honey and bananas. I don't know if I've ever tried that. Has anyone ever tried that? Hannah, you liked honey, you liked music,
And
you passed. There was some kind of tumor in the brain. Is that what you're showing me? At 38 years old? Hannah, you loved your mom and dad so much. They're still alive, both of them.
on.
I know you're on. I don't know if they'll watch this. I wonder because random spirits come through. I didn't look for Hannah. She came to me. And that's usually how the more remarkable sessions happen with me. Now you showed me you liked music. You told me. You showed me the honey and bananas and validated it. Now, and the brain, you didn't validate yet. She hasn't validated how she passed yet. I think it's a brain aneurysm or some kind of brain cancer or tumor. Hannah, do you have a message for your friends or family? Is there something you want to tell them from the other side?
Friends, it's all right.
Friends, it's all right. Friends, it's all right. She's telling her friends it's all right on the other side. Everything's okay. I am just getting the goosebumps every time a validation happens. Now I can see you're coming from the light. For what? Why are you here? Why did you seek me out tonight and come through? Did you want to let your message out? She died instant. It's not cancer. It's a brain aneurysm she had, because she's showing me it was instant. She was in a chair and she fell asleep. Sleep on. But it wasn't really her falling asleep. She died. It was instant. Brain aneurysm. She was smoking marijuana. She was intoxicated, high.
and high.
Right there. She was also doing other kind of drugs. She was sniffing, snorting something.
Lines.
Lines. But her death was not expected, and it was an instant brain attack. Something was it? It wasn't from the drugs. It was just a brain aneurysm. She had no idea. Wow. No one was with you. She lived alone. You lived alone.
Camera.
I am filming with a camera right here, Hannah, so people can hear your messages and hear your validations using Transcend Theory.
What?
What? Yeah, right. This is on iPhone. It's also on Android. It's experimental, but it's been amazing. If you connect with Spirit, they use it. Hannah, can you tell me who brought you here? Who brought you here to speak? Turn on transcribe mode. You came through the light. You wanted to get this message out in hopes that your parents, you had no kids, you weren't married.
Flame.
Flame. What about a flame? I'm not seeing a flame. Was that from when you were... She had a bong with the marijuana. Is that what you mean? That's her...
High.
Hi. That was her last memory.
White.
Right. You're telling me it wasn't the drugs. What was the other drug you were doing? The marijuana. Yes, her. What was the other drug you were doing, Hannah? That wasn't the marijuana. Was it? It was some. She was snorting. Was it cocaine? Is that still popular these days? I know in the 80s it was. Battle. Was it a battle with addiction? A battle with addiction, Hannah? She was addicted. And I saw her hold out a spiritual light hand of sorts.
Watch.
I am. I see it. I feel it. She's saying goodbye. And she's putting another energy right here. She's tapping with an energy. Thank you. Thank you. I feel that energy and that love and that light. Are you going to go back now, Hannah? I know it's hard to come through. I know it's hard for these spirits to come through and stay in. Thank you for coming through.
Here.
Coming through here. I hope your mom or dad watches this, Hannah. I don't know when you passed, but she validated those things after showing, and that's what it's all about for me. Validations. Indisputable. Alright guys, I'm not really getting anything else since Hannah left, so I'm going to close out this session. I hope you enjoyed this. Just another one of these late night sessions in the back room using Transcend Theory. Soul. Souls were in here, right? Is that what you're saying? Is there still a soul here that wants to speak, Spirit?
Soon.
Soon? Well, I'm going to go to bed. It's late. I have to wake up early tomorrow. So thank you. You can come in any time to speak. All right, everyone. I am going to go to bed. It's late and I'm tired, but thank you for watching. If you're new to my videos and what I do, you can check out all the old videos on this channel. You can subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified of when I upload a new video. Love you all. Remember, love is the key, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you.